show you guys, well, tell you guys what I do with my Soultanicals bottle, Salon size bottle, when it's at the end of the road, like around this area, and how I get the conditioner that remains at the bottom of the bottle out of it. So what I do is that I use distilled water. You want to stick with the same, well, for me, this is my rule of thumb. I like to stick with the brand, the lines in the brand, as well as the ingredients of the conditioner. So what I do is I use the Super Bloom Growth Oil. I use a whole lot of it, squirt it in, and then I shake it up like so, and then I pour it into another Soultanicals jar, and this is how much I got. You see how much I got out of it? And it is even more slippery because I added the oil. So that's how I get the remainder of the oil of that. And then you're not gonna be able to see in it as well, but this is what I get. Be careful. You see? So it doesn't make any sense to waste the conditioner that's remaining in this bottle. Don't throw it away, guys. Just try to get more of it out. So I'm gonna show you guys how I apply it. It's very simple. It's going to get quite messy. That's okay. So this is the water base before I apply the deep conditioner itself. I'm just going to show you guys this one section. So you see, it doesn't pay to waste. We spend a lot of money on these products, so oops. So you have to be creative and use every last drop. I like to use every last drop because I work hard for my money. Okay. Oop. Yeah. So this is why I'm only doing one section, because it gets quite messy. So I can stop here and just use the water portion of this conditioner and just do a deep condition, but I'm also now going to go in with some of the deep conditioner. And you can repeat this if you like, but you have to also remember that there is a possibility of bacterial growth, especially when you use the water. So you would want to use the water portion of this first, like use up all of it. If you like, I think you can refrigerate it, but I don't recommend refrigerating it. I recommend using up all of it. So you see, I stretch the conditioner to get more out of it, and it's still performing just like it would with the concentrated conditioner. Okay. And when I do this, it makes me realize, like, do I apply more conditioner than my hair really and truly needs? So my hair looks. I still have the slip factor is still there, because this would be just like putting your hair under water and then applying the concentrated deep conditioner to it. Okay, I'm just going to put a little more on my ends with the added benefit of the Super Bloom Growth Oil. Alright, the only thing with this is that because it has been liquefied, it's a lot more messy. So I'm only doing one section on camera. Sometimes I like to braid it up because it gives me maximum stretch. It also is great for when I do the hot towel treatment, which I'm going to do right after this. I like this Super Bloom hair growth oil. It smells really nice, and I'll probably do a challenge with using it for 3 months as well. So maybe sometime next year, I don't know. Some got in my eye. Some got in my eye. Okay, so far so good. So I'm gonna apply the rest and tell you guys more about this conditioner. Finish applying the deep conditioner all over my hair. So sometimes I like to go in and make it a little even more intensive and apply some more oil in the pads. Because I'm going to be using a hot towel, I might as well get a hot oil treatment along with it as well. So put some on my ends. It kind of acts to seal in the conditioner. I don't know if you understand what I mean, but that's how it kind of acts to me. Not saying that's what it does, but I've been doing this for like the past month and it's been working out great for me in my routine. Alright, so that's about it, and then I'll put the hot towel on my hair. I'm going to show you guys how my hair looks after I remove the hot towel as well. So this is how my hair looks after an hour. Alright, and it's a lot more hydrated, and feels a lot more manageable as well. So I would say give a hot oil treatment with a hot towel a try, as well as deep conditioning with a hot towel. You won't need any hair steamer. Will save you a lot more money as well. So I'm gonna rinse this out and come back and show you guys the final result. So I just finished rinsing out the conditioner, and this is how my hair looks. Get a close up. So yeah, as you can see, my hair is manageable. The edges are coming back. Yeah, all over feels very soft. This area that is normally very dry is soft and supple. So, do I recommend the Shebe Ginger? Yes, I do. And I also recommend finding ways to use all of your products as well, because I still had a successful wash day. Alright, and that's it for this video. I'm just gonna go and moisturize my hair now, and I'll see you in the next video.